ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashaphi taka Frank Motors. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MIT University of Meghalaya. Our admissions are now open for the academic year 2024-25. Explore our best courses, experience global collaborations. Apply today.
Ka Grace Institution Bangalore ka College Puli Nursing ka babhatam na kabanta ki khna ka Meghalaya kala play ya ka admission minta.
Rotary Club Juai kan Rotary Naitung Clubins Camp. Yaki dekat nang kitkam nak benta ka samoi trikam jong stem alajar phosau alajar phosan. Patip kum ka 29 installation ceremony ha ka jingalang ka belong ha orchid in banquet hall Thalasken. Yaki dekat nang kitkam lapins camp dukong san PDG Rotarian Manas Chaudhry ha ka jinon lang Rotarian Barnabas Nangba Rotarian A Andrew July ka Rotarian EE Lalu Rotarian EE Gatpho nolol kiwei ha ka jingalang ka lapnya do Master of Ceremonies retired GM Posngam BHF. UPDG Rotarian Manas Chaudhry ha ka jingkran lakin tu hi record ka Rotary Club Juai bandan ka jing trelang pat ban ni Phylliew Jingmut habale ikikam babha na ka benta ka Myntoi jang ka Imlang Sahlang. Hello kapang jang Rotary of International The Magic of Rotary ulakin tu yaki record ban shimkia ban le yaki nuki kam kana waki pat ba ka shnong Juai kini ban saki bat ban longru ka buram ya ka Rotary barokaway. Rotarian Rudolph E. Lalu, President Rotary Club Juai, ulayat ho, yaki baboni kam ki bag Rotary Club Juai klale na kabenta ki Imlang Sahlang. Kidikot ka Rotary Club Juai ki ulay Shopins Camp kilong President Rotarian Rudolph E. Lalu, President-elect Rotarian Ruveni Nongtudu, Vice President Rotarian S. Kamenlang Latu, Immediate Past President Rotarian Debor Myntoi, Secretary Rotarian Mantri Pasad Lor Kiweipan.
Why this theme? Magic of Rotary. Let me just tell you, very simply put, when the anti-polio drive takes place, Rotarians put drop of polio in the mouths of the children. That is where the magic happens. When from Jankia Hills you send children who have congenital heart disease and they have no way to get operated, Rotary's Gift of Life project comes to help. And when you do that, and Joy has done many, you have sent many from Gentiles. Through Shillong we have sent. And you have brought magic of Rotary. When the child gets life, and there is assurance of living for a long time, healthy life, that's the magic we are talking about. So a little bit of change in the lives of common people, if you can make. You don't have to take a very big project, large project, not needed. Small act of kindness. That's the magic we are talking about. Please do that. And Joy, your Rotary Club of Joy must begin by loving the place called Joy. You have to love your place. Now, what do I mean by love this place? Of course, everybody loves. If you love somebody or something, you will give special attention. You will care for the place. Now, we are not government body that we are flush with money and we can do everything that's needed for Joy. We can't do that. But we can certainly do a few things without being too taxing on our pockets.
The question is, are we up to it? Are we ready? And as chief guest, he was asking our new inductees, are we going to give our time like we give to our other hobbies and friends? And if yes, let us continue in this fine tradition. My vision for our club for this upcoming year is threefold. Number one is reconnecting with the community. Number two is membership. We want to increase the membership, and we also want to retain our old members. We don't want members to jump in a bus and get down in the next stop. We want our members to travel together with us in the whole Rotary journey. And number 3 is public image. So there are many needy people throughout our community and the world where the only hope will come from Rotary. Take for example, polio. Let us live here ready to make their lives better in any way that we can. As Rotarians, it will not be good enough to give only what we have left over or what we can spare, but we must truly give ourselves with new vigor in support to the ideals of Rotary. We must reconnect with our community through health and environmental projects. And to do so, we must enroll new members and retain the old ones. Remember, the strength is always in the numbers. Just imagine, there are only 23 of us now, members. Imagine if we could double this membership, and next year the installation will be grander than this, and we can achieve more. We can reach out to the people through projects, service projects. We can do a lot more better if there are a lot more members. So I urge upon each Rotarian that the next time you come to a meeting, please bring a friend. Please bring a friend.